Bonsoir Stacy, bonsoir James. So this is a summary of what we did yesterday. Jeudi 1er octobre, leçon 14 sur 36. J'ai eu une journée chargée. So I had a heavy day. So it's a passé composé, it's a past tense. So j'ai eu, I had, or I've had. Passé composé is, we make the passé composé to describe completed action, past action. It's done. We don't really describe too much. So we used to have, present tense, j'ai, tu as, il a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, or to be, present tense, je suis, tu es, il est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, plus a past participle. So basically I say, like for instance, j'ai mangé un sandwich, I've eaten a sandwich, or I ate a sandwich. Okay. J'ai travaillé, I've worked, or I worked. Okay. So, nothing works tonight. So, j'ai travaillé, I've worked, or I worked. Well, if I say yesterday, hier, j'ai travaillé, yesterday I worked. Okay. Or I've worked for 10 years in the same company. So, passé composé is a dry tense, okay? Past action and it's completed. The only time we're gonna say first is for the first day of the month. Nous sommes le jeudi 1er octobre. There is a small liaison here. 1er octobre. Okay? Every time you see a ER, it's like a E sound. And today, aujourd'hui, nous sommes le vendredi 2 octobre. So we're not gonna say second, we're gonna say 2. Aller is to go. Je vais, tu vas, il va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont. So I can say je vais à l'école. So actually we're gonna see, probably we're gonna say je vais au, masculine singular, or je vais à la, okay, je vais à L apostrophe, ou je vais au with an X, okay. So basically is I go or I'm going to. So if I say je vais me coucher, it's a reflective verb. Je vais me coucher, that means I'm going to sleep or lie down. Je vais manger, I'm going to eat. Demain, tomorrow. I can say je vais manger dans 5 minutes. Dans 5 minutes, je vais manger. In 5 minutes, I'm gonna eat. Je vais bientôt manger, I'm going to eat soon. Dans une semaine, in 1 week. Dans un mois, in 1 month. Dans un an, in 1 year. We talked about the demonstratives as well. So briefly the passé composé and the demonstratives. Demonstrative, what is it? It's like this, that, these, those. Okay? So it's not going to be as complex in French. We only have 4. So ce, masculine singular. So I can say ce vélo. This bicycle. Okay. Cette is a feminine singular. Cette voiture. This car. Ces pluriel, I can say ces vélos or ces voitures. Doesn't matter. N'additional is set, and it's for masculine nouns starting with H or a vowel. Like for instance, un arbre, a tree, start with a vowel, and it's masculine. So this tree. Cette école, this school. Okay. Anyways, so we talked about the nouns. All I want you guys to remember is this part. If a noun ends with en, on, we double the consonant. Become euse. Ter become tris, but not always. So, un musicien italien, une musicienne italienne. Un champion breton, une championne bretonne. Un serveur rêveur, une serveuse rêveuse. Un acteur séducteur, une actrice séductrice. So, an Italian musician, champion from Brittany, a waiter, a dreamer, and a waiter, waitress, actor, séductive. And the exception will be une chanteuse, a singer, un chanteur masculine. Une menteuse, a liar, un menteur masculine. Une conteuse, un conteur. So the verb is conter, C-O-N-T-E-R. That means to tell a story. So the person who tells story is une conteuse féminine, un conteur masculine. We saw also the endings, age, ment, au, phone, scope, isme, masculine, with some exceptions. Le garage, le fromage, le ménage, la plage, la cage, la page, la nage, l'image, la rage. Le gouvernement, le monument, le médicament. Le bureau, le couteau, knife, le carreau. Un téléphone, un interphone, un microscope. Le réalisme, le socialisme. Be careful with the I, because in French normally it's E sound, except for impossible, indifférent. Feminine nouns, sion, sionté, saction, zionté, et, ans, ur, od, ad, ud. Okay. So when we see et, that doesn't mean it's necessarily smaller. It's just we have some words like that. A trumpet is a trumpet. Bicyclette is a bicycle. Okay. Cigarette is a cigarette. Okay. So la situation, la solution, la réalisation, la décision, la télévision, la société, la réalité, la bonté, kindness, la beauté, beauty. Le côté is a side, l'été, the summer, le comité, a committee. Yeah. Député is a congressman, congresswoman, le pâté is a meat spread. La bicyclette, la trompette, la cigarette, only exception, the squelette, le squelette is a skeleton. La connaissance, la dépendance, la ressemblance, knowledge, dependence, resemblance. La référence, la différence, la présence. Silence, silence, the exception. La culture, la peinture, la nourriture. Culture, painting, food. Exception. Le mercure, mercury. Le cyanure, cyanide. La méthode, we don't pronounce the TH in French, it's going to be a T sound. La méthode, la salade, la certitude. So we'll continue this chapter the next time. And I put an additional exercise concerning the demonstrative, just to, it's just a matter of paying attention, make sure we understand, we can summarize, and we're good to go. Okay? You guys have a wonderful weekend. My only homework is to watch the video, take care of, read the transcript, and, remember. That's the main homework here. You guys have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you on Tuesday. Au revoir, à bientôt, à mardi.